and we're now out of somewhere between Tampa and Orlando, and I'm on, this is the overnight train heading up to Washington D.C. It's quite a long trip, over 2,000 kilometres, and it's quite a nice change from buses. I've actually done nearly 6,000 kilometres by bus on this trip, so it's quite nice to be changing over to trains. Perhaps as a slight reminder of 2 years ago, doing the trans-Mongolian, an 11,000 kilometre train trip, Beijing to Pyongyang, back across to St Petersburg. So yes, it's a beautiful day here, and we're actually heading north to work to much cooler climes of Washington D.C, which I'll be arriving at sometime tomorrow afternoon.